Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing my new AirPods Pro. These are from Apple. Let's get into it. You can see here, this is designed by Apple in California. Remove that. Here's the AirPod charging case with the AirPods inside it. If you lift that up, the charger for the AirPods and the AirPods enclosed in a plastic case. To open the AirPods charging case, simply pull on the tabs and remove the plastic to reveal the AirPod Pro case with the AirPod Pros inside. Open the charger, simply pull on the cardboard and then once it's released, I've already done it with the other side, the plastic and the cardboard simply comes out to reveal the Lightning to USB-C cable. Charge the AirPod Pros. Simply get your Lightning to USB-C cable. Get the Lightning part of it and plug it into the AirPods case. There. Now it's plugged in. Get the USB-C side and plug that into a USB-C adapter plug that will go straight into a socket. To open these spare earbuds, simply push this, then lift to reveal the 4 spare earbuds that Apple gives with the AirPod Pros. These are for replacement or if the earbuds do not fit your ears. The Designed by Apple in California paperwork. First we have the AirPods Pro manual, which teaches you how to set up the AirPods Pro to your iPhone. Then we have paperwork for the AirPods Pro in different languages. If you have a QI supporting wireless charger, simply place the back of the AirPods case onto it to charge the AirPods case. This is the end of the unboxing and review of these AirPods Pro. Overall, I think they're amazing. The size is amazing for daily use, and the case with its wireless charging ability is very good as well. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe and comment anything you'd like to see next, and I'll see you next time.